Most adults these days have no idea how to make friends, which a lot of people think is not a big deal. But then again, most adults these days have depression and anxiety problems. I believe that those things are related. I believe that having a social circle, having a network, having a tribe is something that is a necessity of our DNA. And if you do not have that, this is based on all of our evolutionary history, is that we had to have a tribe around us for us to be safe. Like, if you don't have a tribe, if you're on your own, you are going to die. You're probably going to starve, or you're going to be invaded by other people that are going to come and take your stuff. Like, it's absolutely necessary from a primitive perspective, which is how our brains still operate, to have a tribe. So if you don't, then you're going to be, your body, your mind is going to be in a constant state of panic, and you're never really going to be happy. Now, that said, a lot of people do have sort of a tribe. Like, they have the people that they hang out with from work, or the people that they met in college, and they go out on the weekends sometimes. But a lot of times that's completely unsatisfactory, right? Like, especially for a lot of you high achievers out there that actually want to do something with your life and have real aspirations, all the people around you are a bunch of, well, to say it bluntly, a bunch of fat losers that just sit around and watch football and drink beer. Like, that's their whole life. That is not the kind of tribe that you need. That's not the kind of tribe that's going to help you achieve your goals. Now, that's the other side. Your mind is naturally programmed to need a tribe to be able to, well, just to get by, just for basic survival. But the flip side of that is, if you actually want to achieve something, if you want to do well, it's something in your life, you need a tribe of people that are on the same page and that are going to support you in doing that. You've heard all the expressions: iron sharpens iron. Your network is your net worth. You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. All of those things are true. Everybody knows that all of those things are true, and yet most of us are sorely lacking in that department. So you recognize that you need a tribe, and you need a good tribe. You don't need a tribe of fat losers that sit around watching football all day, and yet you're not doing anything about it. Why? Well, the reason for most people is that they just don't know how. Like, where do you start? Do you just, like, go to the grocery store and start tapping random people on the shoulder and trying to start conversations? Like, it's not, being an adult, it's hard to actually make friends and meet people. So I've created a system that has worked very well for me to find people who are like me, who have a similar mind to me, who have similar aspirations to me, that are also feeling isolated and don't know where to start, and bring us all together. If you're interested, I will show you exactly how that system works for free. I'll put a link in the description where you can get my free training where I show you exactly how to do that. Now, for you guys that you just kind of live on the internet and you have no idea how to actually relate to people in the real world, this is perfect for you, because it is exactly using the internet to find these people in your local area, the sort of people that you want as part of your tribe, and then bring them into a real world setting where you can meet face to face. A lot of people are part of these internet communities and internet groups, and you talk in chat rooms, and maybe you meet on Zoom every once in a while, but you know that that is absolutely not the same as actually having a group of people that meets in person. So if you would like to have that, check out this link in the description right now. I'll show you exactly how to do it.